Do you live in a small apartment, dorm, or RV and think a dishwasher just isn't possible? Think again. Today, I'm reviewing the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, a compact, energy-efficient dishwasher that fits right on your counter but still delivers powerful cleaning. Let's see if this small machine can actually replace hand washing. At first glance, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher looks modern and minimal, especially in this clean black finish. It's designed to sit directly on your kitchen counter, which makes it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small kitchens. Despite its compact size, it can handle up to 6 place settings, which is impressive for a portable dishwasher. You can easily fit plates, bowls, cups, cutlery, and even small pots inside. The smart rack design helps you organize dishes efficiently, making the most out of the available space. For 1 to 2 people, this dishwasher can easily handle daily dish loads without any problem. One big advantage of this model is that it's Energy Star certified, meaning it uses less electricity and water compared to traditional dishwashers or even hand washing. This makes it a great option if you want to save on utility bills while still keeping your dishes spotless. The COMFEE dishwasher comes with 8 different washing programs, giving you a lot of flexibility. Speed mode for quick washes. Baby care mode for high-temperature sterilization. Eco mode for energy-efficient cleaning. Glass mode for delicate items like wine glasses. Whether you're washing lightly soiled cups or greasy plates, there's a mode that fits your needs. For a countertop dishwasher, this one runs surprisingly quiet. It won't disturb your conversations or sleep, making it ideal for small living spaces. Cleaning performance is strong. Dishes come out clean, dry, and free from residue when loaded correctly. Installation is super simple. You don't need permanent plumbing, just connect it to your faucet, and you're ready to go. This makes it perfect for renters or anyone who can't install a full-size dishwasher. So overall, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher is a smart solution for anyone short on space but big on convenience. It's compact, energy efficient, easy to use, and packed with useful wash modes. If you're tired of hand-washing dishes and want an affordable, space-saving alternative, this dishwasher is definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe for more home and tech reviews, and check the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching.